Imagine if I told you that the self-improvement industry was ruining your life, and instead, if you focused on this one thing, your life would be amazing. If you've ever bought a self-improvement course or a book, or you've done searches on YouTube on how to make more money, how to be more confident, chances are you have never heard what I'm about to talk about in today's video. Because the truth is that if you actually knew the secret, then the self-improvement industry would basically go broke and not make as much money. But I feel like it's time for you to know the truth. So personally, I'm a fan of personal development, right? I feel like it's important to always be striving to be better, but this doesn't come at a cost to most people. Because unfortunately, one of the biggest reasons why the self-improvement industry and self-improvement in general is bad is that when you first hear about something, or you read a book, or you go to a course, or take a seminar, you're pumped up, you're excited, right? And you're ready. But then it doesn't happen fast enough. True growth and progress takes time. And unfortunately, we are in a society where everything we think should be like super quick, then when it doesn't happen overnight, we lose interest and we look for something else. The other downside to self-improvement is that it's a never-ending battle, right? It's almost like an addiction. You search for something, you find it, you consume it, you get excited, you get high, and then you come down. And then you search for something else. It's this constant consumption of wanting to be better and information. And unfortunately, it leaves us empty. It also leaves us addicted to wanting more. And just like an addiction, an addict thinks, okay, just one more time, one more hit, one more course, one more seminar, one more piece of knowledge, and then I'm finally gonna have the key and the tools to unlock my life. And usually the self-improvement addiction starts small, right? It's easy, it's cheap, right? Little YouTube search for how to make more money, how to get a girl, how to look better, and then it's buy a $10 ebook, and then a $500 coaching session, and then a $5,000 seminar. All the time you're spending more money just looking for that final fix. And the dealer of this new self-improvement drug is our phones. It's social media. This is the thing that's telling us that we're deficient. This is the thing that tells us we need more. We need to be more successful. We need to drive a nicer car. We need a nicer watch. We need more girls. The other downside is that it makes us feel bad. It makes us feel like if we're not getting up at 4 a.m. and grinding and working 27 hours a day, that we're losers. It affects our self-esteem. We feel guilty when we're not improving or hustling or grinding, or if we haven't seen the success that other people's have, or all the testimonials, or all the people on those crazy long ass sales pages that you just keep scrolling. We feel guilty, but we keep going back for more. The truth is that self-improvement is a losing battle until you do what I'm about to share with you, all right, which is the secret. The secret is something I call the foundation formula. The foundation formula consists of 3 specific items and areas that you need to focus on. Until you focus on these, nothing else that you do, nothing else that you read, no seminar that you go to is going to make a fucking difference. Number 1 is mind. Now, this is one that doesn't get a lot of sexy press, right? We're so worried about teaching people how to make money or how to have a great body or whatever, but we're not teaching and helping people develop a strong mind. This is the most important phase of you being an amazing person. If you're not right mentally, nothing else, literally nothing else matters that you're going to do, because you're always going to regress. You're always going to go backwards because you've never done the hard work. You've never done what you need to do to be mentally strong. But this is the piece that people fail at the most because it's the hardest, honestly. It's easy to work out. It's easy to go to the gym. It's not easy to deal with your demons. It's not easy to face the things that have affected you in a negative way in your past. I know, because that's what I did. I would run. I ran for 26 years until I finally decided that I wanted to be happy. And I knew that I needed to stand there and deal with the issues, because if not, I was going to continue to do self-destructive things. I was going to continue to drink in excess, do drugs, sleep with people I shouldn't be, right? All the while, all I needed to do was finally face my demons. Therapy is a tool that strong men use in order to overcome the issues they have, because they choose, it's a choice, to be happy. Guys, you don't just have to have some mental health disorder like anxiety or depression in order to seek help and seek therapy. It's for anybody, literally. It's hard. Life is hard. And the sooner you take action, the sooner you understand that there's a resource out there for you that can give you the tools to look and approach life in a different way, guys, the sooner you're going to be on your way to being wildly successful and truly happy. And that's why I love today's video sponsor, BetterHelp, so much. I have used their service. I have friends that use their service. They are an amazing resource. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy more affordable and more accessible, which is important because finding a great therapist is hard, especially if you live in an area where there aren't that many resources. BetterHelp's platform makes finding a therapist easy because it's online. It's also remote. And by filling out a few questions, BetterHelp can match you with a professional therapist in as little as a few days. And guys, it's easy to sign up and get matched with a therapist. There's a link down below. It's betterhelp.com/alpha-m. Clicking the link basically helps support this channel. It also is going to give you 10% off your first month of BetterHelp so that you can try it, get matched with a therapist, and see if it helps. Something else that's really cool that I love about BetterHelp, because they understand that therapy is a lot like dating, sometimes you have to try a few different therapists in order to find that perfect connection or person to help you. BetterHelp lets you change therapists at no additional charge. Guys, if you are ready to take control of your life, your happiness, and finally deal with the issues that have been holding you back from becoming amazing, I want you to do something for you. Hit the link down below. That's betterhelp.com/alpha-m. That's BETTERHELP.com/alpha-m to get 10% off your first month of therapy. The mind, that's step number 1 in the foundation formula. Number 2 is body. Guys, if your body is not strong, I cannot stress this enough. You are never going to achieve what you potentially could. It's about building a strong body. Not only does your body become stronger as you lift weights, as you work out, as you exercise, it also strengthens your mind, but it also includes your diet. Your body, your temple. If you're not healthy, nothing else in the world matters. Health is one of the things that money cannot buy more of. Right? You've got to understand this, and you've got to take ownership of your physical well-being. You can have all the money in the world. You can have all the cars, all the clothes, all the whatever, all the glamour, all the success, all the notoriety. But if your body is shit, you will never truly be your best self, and you'll always be searching and striving. Exercise not only builds the body, it strengthens and sharpens the mind. And number 3 is spirit. Guys, here's the thing. Regardless of what and who your higher power is, you need to be in touch with it. It's about building yourself up spiritually. It's about connecting with your higher power, whatever that is, it doesn't matter. It's about being spiritually in touch with whatever gives you life, whatever gives you inspiration. All right, you need to connect with it, because until you do, you are constantly going to be chasing false prophets and material possessions to satisfy something that's internal, it's intrinsic. The other component to spiritual is friendships, family. The people in your life that you need to connect with. You can try to make as much money as you want to. You can try to be the best dude you possibly can. But we are not supposed to be islands. It's about building and surrounding yourself with people that are uplifting, that love you, and then being and spending as much time with them as you possibly can. You need people in your life that are going to add value, that are going to make you feel safe, that are going to make you feel secure, they're going to help uplift you when times get hard. These are the things that you need to nurture. These are the relationships that you need to invest your time in. Because I promise you something, all of the material possessions in the world cannot replace love. It cannot replace family. It cannot replace friendships. And until you understand this, until you develop it and understand that these are the things that truly will give your life meaning and purpose and passion, all the other shit, it's just nice extra stuff. But the truth is, the foundation, these 3 things, mind, body, and spirit, these are the things that truly will set you apart. They also will set you free. They will set you free from the pressures of social media. They will set you free from the pressures of society. They will set you free from your preconceived notions of what and who you need to be as a man. You are amazing, but do not get it twisted. The things that you need to focus on, it's not self-improvement, it is self. And when you do that, you're going to be amazed at how incredible your life becomes.